In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all completed tasks in Microsoft To Do. Whether you're tidying up your digital workspace or just wanting a fresh start, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can achieve this in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft To Do app. If you're not using it yet, you can find it in your Start menu if you're on a Windows device. Make sure you have downloaded it from the Microsoft Store, but don't worry if you haven't, because there's also a way to access Microsoft To Do directly through the web. Simply navigate to todo.microsoft.com. Either option will work just as well, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Next up, it's time to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials, which are the same as those you use for services like Outlook and OneDrive. If you don't have this set up yet, you'll need to create an account or perhaps dig out those login details. If you're already a Microsoft user, these credentials are likely to be the ones you use regularly. Once you're on the sign in page, go ahead and click sign in. Make sure you have your Microsoft account, email and password ready, as the next step is entering both of these. After entering your login information, you should be successfully logged in and granted access to your tasks. Now that you can see your tasks, take a closer look. You'll want to focus on your completed tasks. Click on the radio button next to any task that you have completed and wish to delete. This will help you select the tasks you want to remove. Selecting them ensures you're targeting the right ones, so take your time to ensure accuracy. Once you have all your completed tasks selected, it's time for the final steps. Hover your cursor over the word completed, which you'll find just above the list of your completed tasks. Give your mouse a right click to bring up a menu of options. From there, choose Delete Tasks. This action will remove all the selected completed tasks from your Microsoft To Do app. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward process for cleaning up your completed tasks in Microsoft To Do. With a clean slate, you're now ready to organize your upcoming tasks more effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit the process anytime you need to declutter your task list. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your digital life organized.